Meaning of edelweiss.
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 Edelweiss. Edelweiss is a German word that refers to a small, white, mountain flower that grows in the Alps. The plant has white star-shaped blooms and woolly leaves that help it survive in harsh mountain climates. Due to its beauty and rarity, Edelweiss has become a symbol of purity, courage, and loyalty in many European cultures. It has been used in traditional medicine to treat respiratory problems, and the flower has been used as a decorative element in clothing, jewelry, and other accessories. Additionally, the song Edelweiss is a famous tune from the musical The Sound of Music and has become an iconic part of popular culture.